Here is the most uncomfortable fact in food publishing in 2026. 58% of Google searches now end without a single click. The food and drink category lost the most click traffic of any vertical in 2025. But the same year, pages with complete recipe schema saw a 3.7 times multiplier on AI citation rate. Pages with verified human authors earned 3.2 times more citations on top of that. The post-SEO question is no longer how do you rank, it is how do you get cited, and the answer starts with a 40-line block of JSON. Recipe schema is a vocabulary defined by schema.org. It has dozens of fields. AI engines use 7 of them as the core confidence signal: name, author, prep time and cook time, recipe ingredient, recipe instructions, nutrition, and aggregate rating. ChatGPT, Perplexity, Gemini, and Google AI Mode all parse this JSON before they parse a single word of prose. If your page has all 7 fields populated correctly, you compete. If you have 4 or 5, you lose every citation to the competitor who shipped all 7. Schema is the structural baseline. Everything else is decoration. The highest impact fix in 2026 is cookTime. It must be ISO 8601 duration format, PT 30M for 30 minutes, PT 1H 30M for an hour and a half, PT 24H for a brine or a cold brew. Not the string 30 minutes, not half an hour, ISO format only. Google's AI Mode update in March 2026 explicitly raised the weight on cookTime parsing, and the single most common failure mode is a cookTime field containing natural language instead of the duration code. The cost is invisibility. Long cooktimes filter into planning queries like, "What can I make ahead this weekend?" If yours is malformed, you do not appear in the carousel. When ChatGPT cites a recipe, it attributes the recipe to a named source. A site that declares its author as an organization gets attributed to the website. A site that declares a person with a SameAs array linking to Instagram, YouTube, and a culinary credential page gets attributed to a human. The engines reward the second pattern with 3.2 times more citations. The SameAs array is how engines verify the claim. 3 links is the practical floor. 5 is the sweet spot. More than 10 starts looking like spam. And the person on your schema must match the About page on your site. Mismatches read as conflicting signals and get demoted. Recipe instructions is the field that most food sites get wrong. It must be an array of HowToStep objects, not a single string of prose. Each step needs a short name, a clear text body, and optionally an image URL. The image URL is what enables Pinterest carousels and AI Mode step-by-step answers. The single most common failure mode is a recipe instructions field containing one long string with the entire method in it. That format parses, but it earns roughly half the citation share of a structured HowToStep array. Half for one schema decision. Restructuring instructions into named, numbered steps is a 30-minute fix per recipe. 3 more fields decide the tiebreakers: nutrition, rating, and page structure. The nutrition object drives every diet-specific query: calories, protein, carbs, fat, sodium, fiber, sugar. 7 values cover 95% of dietary queries. AI engines filtering for high-protein GLP-1 dinners filter the protein content field directly. Aggregate rating is the trust tiebreaker. Review count matters more than rating value. A 4.6 with 300 reviews beats a 4.9 with 12. If you have under 10 reviews, omit the field entirely. Thin ratings are penalized harder than no ratings. And one more rule: the recipe card must appear near the top of the page DOM, not buried under 2,000 words of personal story. AI engines discount recipes that appear after long prose intros. Here is the 4-week plan if you have 500 recipes and a finite engineering budget. Week 1. Audit your top 20 recipe URLs through Google's Rich Results test. Document which errors show up on each. Week 2. Fix the top 3 errors across all 20. CookTime format. recipe instruction structure, person author with SameAs. These three alone capture roughly 70% of the citation lift. Week 3, fix the remaining 4 errors: nutrition, rating, duplicate schema, story above recipe order. Week 4, rerun the audit and check your server logs. Most sites see AI crawler visits from OAI SearchBot and Perplexity bot increase 2 to 5 times within 14 days of the fixes landing. Schema markup is the floor of the post-SEO playbook, not the ceiling. The distribution layer sits on top of complete markup, citation tracking, RSL licensing, shoppable commerce, embeddable widgets. Get the structural fundamentals right first, and every upstream investment compounds. Get them wrong, and every upstream investment leaks.